Okay, welcome back. I've taken the plastic off the front and back of the tablet, plugged in the power point, and plugged it into the dock. So this is it, all set up and ready to go. Like I said, it's a glossy plastic finish. It's smooth, but you can see there that underneath this glossy coat, it does have a brushed aluminium style look, but it isn't aluminium, it's just all plastic. There's a full 8 megapixel camera with flash on the back, and I believe the camera inside is 2 megapixels for webcam and Skype. I'll spin this around. So on the bottom there, all the fancy bits of details, and of course Windows 8 Intel Atom. So let's open it up. Okay, so the base is very light, so when I'm lifting it up, it is actually lifting up the base as well, so that's a bit annoying. Try and open it up one-handed. I suppose you can't have everything. You can either have a light base and it lift up when you're opening it, or have a heavy base and it stay down. I guess I prefer to have a lightweight base. Okay, so that's it there. So I'll take it off the docking station, which is here. You just push it in. It's very difficult to do one-handed. Oh, there we go. So it just pops out. Oh, it's given me a battery message there. Now I must mention, after I took it out of the box, the connections on the bottom here, let's see if we can brighten that. So in the middle there you have the data connection, which connects it to the dock, and then the hole on the left and the right, that is how it connects to the clips in the docking station. Now straight out of the box, it actually had these little grommets in. Those there were plugged into the left and the right. Probably if you're using it as a tablet you might want to pop them back in just to stop things from getting in there, but they did take a little bit of effort to actually get out. I have very short nails, and it took me about a couple of minutes to get them out. They're in there quite tough. So I'll pop this back in. So there is a little click to let you know that it is in the base securely. And it is actually in there really secure, which is good. So let's turn this on for the first time. What have we got? So here on the top we have a headphone jack. Let's see if we can get that a bit sharper. Doesn't seem to want to go sharper for you. So we've got a headphone jack, a microphone hole, the power button, it looks like there's a screen lock. I think that's what that is. Yeah, so we've got the power button and then the screen lock button. so I guess if you activate that, when you turn the tablet on different angles it won't move around on you. Looks like we've got another full-sized USB. Yep. And we've got another microphone hole. So it looks like you have dual microphones left and right. Here we've got a micro SD. Yeah, micro SD. And beside it, this is a Wi-Fi version. I believe this plate here, which doesn't do anything, in this model, you can get the Pro version of this tablet, and that's where you'd put the SIM card, so you can have cellular data on the go. And there's the S Pen. How do you get that out? So just put your fingernail in there and pull it out. Pretty basic. It's got a button on it. I'm not too sure what that does yet, but I'll find out. So, very light and plasticky, which is good, I guess, if you're carrying it around. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the front. So, you've got a 2 megapixel web camera, and it looks like you've got some light sensors just off to the left of that. So let's power this thing on. So the blue light there's just come on. Just have a quick overview of all the shortcut keys on the keyboard while it's booting up. You can see there that we've got the new style Windows 8 key and a small power adapter on the side there. So you can plug this into the base, and while this is connected we'll charge, or you can put this straight into the tablet and it will also charge. So I'll input all the settings and be back when it's all set up. Thanks.